Hey y'all, Jamie Deen here at Mama's house, and it's that time again. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Everything's turning green. And if you're not green on the 17th, you'll probably be green on the 18th. Big party time around here. Everybody have fun. I've gotten old enough now. When I was young, boy, howdy, you couldn't stop me. I'm old enough now that it's a good time for me to leave town. I've been here a long time. St. Patrick's Day is a huge celebration. We have lots of fun. Green grits, green eggs, green. But today we're gonna do something a little bit different. We're gonna make our homemade Irish cream for your bar at home, and it makes a great gift. This is a recipe from Mom's magazine, and she's not a big drinker, and I don't drink a lot of Irish whiskey, but it's a perfect gift, especially for this time of year. There's huge parties that you get invited to downtown. This is a great hostess gift if you're lucky enough to get invited down to one of the houses on the square during our St. Patrick's celebration. So let's get going. All you need is a blender, and we've got our cream, half a pint of whipping cream. And we've got some, what is this? Sweetened condensed milk, of course. We have a couple of cups of Irish whiskey, your brand, whatever you'd like. You know, our son Jack was at BC, and the BC boys, all the cadets, march in the St. Patrick's Day parade every year. So for 4 years, we got to go down and watch Jack. Last year, he was the cadet commander, so he led the whole thing, and we're very proud of him. And I know, y'all know he's up in Boston. That was a teaspoon and a half of coffee. Two teaspoons of coffee. He's up in Massachusetts going to school, where this time of year it's still winter. God bless him. We have 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup. And our middle son, Matthew, he's getting ready to go to high school. He's kind of on the same track as Jack. Y'all remember when Jack started his Book Nook YouTube channel when he was in 7th grade, I think is when he started it. And now Matthew has started his YouTube channel. It's called Moose Rips. Matthew loves to do football cards. So he buys these football cards and he finds value in them. And he's got a YouTube channel now, and it's called Moose Rips. Y'all go give Matthew the love that Jack got. I love for our boys, 4 eggs. I love for our boys to have an entrepreneurial spirit and really get into it and learn about business and how to do business and how to talk. And if a card costs $10, almond extract, and you sell it for $8, that's not a good business plan. So figuring out what's what at this age is good for all of them. Now we've got our vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon. And that's it. Now let's whip this up and see what we got. Whoa, that looks, some folks make a lot of money selling something that looks just like this, and ours is homemade. I'm gonna taste a little bit with our. Adults only. Look how pretty this little jar is that Mom has. This is the perfect way to package this up. No matter what holiday it is, it's always a nice gift. You can keep this in your refrigerator. It lasts for how long, Teresa? A month, says the smartest person in the room. Yeah, it's got 4 eggs in it, so we're gonna get this into the refrigerator as soon as we get done. But isn't that cute? Looks like chocolate milk. Mm-hmm. Drink with caution. It's very strong. You could add it into your coffee. Luck of the Irish, baby. I appreciate it. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Jamie Deen. Y'all be safe. We'll see you around the kitchen.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.